Welcome back. If you use Telegram and you're tired of private chat photos and videos automatically showing up in your phone's gallery, this quick, updated guide will help you stop that in just a few taps. Telegram makes it easy to keep chatting, but by default, some media from private conversations can end up saved to your device and mixed in with your personal photos. That can feel messy, and in some cases, it can also be a privacy issue if you share your phone with other people. The good news is, you can turn this off directly inside Telegram. First, open Telegram on your phone. Then tap the menu icon, which may appear as the three-line menu in the top corner, or tap your profile icon, depending on your device. Once the menu opens, go straight to Settings. Inside Settings, find and tap Data and Storage. This is where Telegram keeps the controls for how media is downloaded and saved on your device. Scroll through the options until you find the section for saving media to your gallery. Now look for private chats under Save to Gallery choice. This setting controls whether photos and videos from private conversations are automatically stored in your gallery. To stop that from happening, simply toggle private chats off. Once you do that, Telegram will no longer auto-save media from private chats into your gallery. That means your personal photos stay separate, your gallery stays cleaner, and you get a little more control over your privacy. If you want, you can also check the same area for other chat types, just to make sure your storage preferences match the way you use Telegram. But for private conversations, turning off this option is the key step. And that's it. A few taps and you've stopped Telegram from automatically saving private chat media to your gallery. If this helped, make sure to stay tuned for more simple Telegram tips and updates.